Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to import bookmark in Microsoft Edge. So for you to do that, you have to come in and click on the three dot icon beside the Copilot icon. Then you click on settings. Okay. Then you click on profile. Then when you scroll down a little, then here it is, import browser data. Then you click on it. Then right here you can import any bookmark from this website, from this search engine or web browser. You can import data from Google Chrome. You can also import data from this browser, also Firefox. You can also import data from this Explorer. So what you have to do is that just click on any one of them that has your bookmark, then you select them. Let's say this. You have to uncheck this because the import the bookmark is under this. So you click this, then here you can customize the name, then the profile. You want to do that. Once you import, then your bookmark will be successfully moved to Microsoft Edge. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.